Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set a song as your ringtone on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel or a different phone manufacturer, as long as it's running the Android operating system, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, I want to point out that you do need to have that MP3 file uploaded to your Google Drive account associated with your Android account. So if you have a Google account, make sure you're signed in, upload that MP3 file to your Gmail or Google Drive account. And then you want to swipe up on your home screen and select the setting and gear icon here. And then go down and select sound and vibration. And then go down to phone ringtone and select it. And then select my sounds. Select the little plus icon right here, and then locate the file in your Google Drive account. And then once you're done, you just would select it, and then it would take you back to this page. You would select Save up at the top, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.